What's going on, YouTube Nation? Boss Man with Reshart Ranch Small Engine Repair. Today we're going to change a starter solenoid on my personal mower. I've been using a screwdriver to jump the starter solenoid, but that's the repair today. We did roll out quite a few videos this week. I am determined to hit 1,000 subscribers, so y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get to it. Alright, so before we get started, I just want to let y'all know starter solenoids on rod mowers and Zeroturns, they're basically all the same. Sometimes you have one pole for your ignition and sometimes you have two. In this instance, these poles, this is my ignition wire that allows my electricity to cross through these two poles. But the majority of the time, you're just gonna have the negative wire, okay? The reason why I'm saying is because sometimes you have an extra red wire on your top pole that powers your ignition. So in my instance, I have my ignition on my second pole. It really doesn't make a difference. But I have a universal solenoid, okay? I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. So let's get started. It's not gonna be too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off both of my wires on the bottom. Y'all just bear with me. I got the camera right in front of me and I'm trying not to bump it, so here we go. And no, I did not unplug. Sorry, I did not take my battery terminals loose. Even though you're supposed to. It's too much of a hassle right now. The rain's gonna hit in probably the next few hours, so one last thing I gotta do is take off the battery terminals. Yes, I will be careful not to put my positive on anything metal to ground it out. I know I'm gonna probably get a couple of rude comments, but like I said, I've been doing this for 20 years, so that should tell you something. Now, if it was a customer's mower, yeah, I would definitely unplug the battery. Man, I keep on saying unplug. I would definitely take the battery terminals off. But it's my personal mower, so, and yeah, I know I should be working on mine like I work on my customer's personal mower, you know, taking care of everything. But it's not in this case. Okay, got that. All of our connections are off. Now it's to loosen the solenoid from the frame. Let me get me a longer extension. Got me a new little 1/4" drive ratchet set, and I'm not used to how it has 8 sides instead of 4, so gotta play with my tools a little bit to get used to them. It's a little cheap set, but I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below for this as well. Bottom bolt off. Got to keep that bolt And keep my top bolt. The rest of the hardware I took off, it's gone with the old solenoid. And that is the old one. Okay. This is a Gravely ZT 2552, but it really doesn't matter what brand mower you putting it on. Like I said, this one is universal, so it's usually self-explanatory. All right, here's for the installation of the new one. Okay. Bottom. Uh-oh, my hardware fell out my socket. Okay. I had to find the right height. My screw hole was for my bolt. Okay. Alright, let's start tightening our hardware up. I'll do it for the bottom. Try not to put my hands too much to where y'all can actually see what I'm doing, but it's a very tight spot. Okay. Our top pole is going to be our battery supply. Now I do want y'all to know that this kit comes with the standard pole for your 1/4 inch eyelets, and it comes with the adapter for the 5/16. So mine is the 5/16, so I'm gonna keep the little adapter on there. Switch my socket size and my extension. Let's tighten that puppy up. And I skipped this step. I say I skipped this step. My other red wire didn't snap on whenever I put my hot wire on. Okay. Now, there we go. All right. Okay. Not gonna worry about putting cap on just yet. Okay, now this is my wire to my starter. Put it on the opposite side pole, but this is a 1/4 inch eyelet, so I'll go ahead and take my 5/16 adapter off. Better fit. It's quite a handy universal solenoid kit, just in case you do have two different size eyelets that need to go on the poles. In my case, my starter wire was a 1/4 inch eyelet, and my battery terminal wire was a 5/16 eyelet, so it fit pretty good. Okay. The red protector's pretty torn up. All right. So now I'm gonna put my negative wire back on my bottom pole. I'm gonna put my power wire, my ignition wires on the top pole. All right. So let me clean up and we're going to start this puppy. Alright, our starter solenoid is installed. I have all my rubber caps to my terminals on. I would say moment of truth, but guess what? Don't need that anymore. And there you have it, folks. Our starter solenoid is installed. The mower starts by key now. I think I got a flat tire, so actually it's blown off the rim. So I got to see what's going on with that. I'm Boss Man with Richard Ranch. Remember, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so y'all show some love. Like and subscribe. I will be posting a lot more videos this year, so y'all stay tuned. God loves you. He wants you to prosper. Y'all go be blessed.